Hey everyone, welcome back. Ever wanted to create realistic fabric animations like these? In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll show you the steps to get you started, so you can start creating stunning fabric simulations of your own in no time. In this tutorial, I've avoided using any keyboard shortcuts, making it super easy to follow along visually. This way, even if you're new to Blender, you can still keep up and create your own fabric simulation step by step. First, let's clear the scene by deleting the default cube. Then, we'll add a new object, a cylinder. Scale the cylinder down along the z-axis to give it a flatter shape, and position it a bit higher, also along the z-axis. Next, go to the Physics tab and activate Collision for the cylinder. Now, add another object, this time a plane. Move it along the z-axis and then scale it. Enter Edit mode, right-click on the plane, and select Subdivide repeatedly. This increases the polygon count, allowing for more detailed fabric simulations. If you want to see the exact polygon count, click on Viewport Overlay and check Statistics. This will display the precise number of polygons in the object. In the Physics tab, select Cloth for the plane. Right-click on the plane and choose Shade Smooth to give the fabric a smooth appearance. The fabric might not look perfect yet, so let's refine it further. In the Cloth settings, go to the Collision section and enable Self-Collision. This allows the simulation to calculate interactions within the fabric itself. While this makes the simulation more demanding to compute, it results in a much more realistic look. Finally, let's go to the Modifier tab and add a Subdivision Surface modifier. This gives the fabric an even smoother and more refined appearance. That's it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give a like and subscribe for more content. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. And if you'd prefer not to follow along or encounter any issues, there will be a link in the description to download the completed simulation, including the table and cloth models, for free. You can purchase the professional 3D models used in these animations. Links will be in the description.